start off with the basics of playing guitar. This course will cover the topics of how to read tabs, gear, posture, and the basics of rhythm. Tabs are a great way for beginners to learn guitar because they are easy to grasp. The 6 horizontal tab lines represent the 6 guitar strings, with the top line showing the thinnest string and the bottom line showing the thickest. So from bottom to top, you have low E string, A, D, G, B, and high E string. Most of the time, you can also see numbers on these strings. The numbers that appear in tabs indicate which fret you need to press down with your fret hand. The fretboard is made out of metal strips along the neck of your guitar, which all represent a different fret. The metal strip closest to the headstock of the guitar is fret number 1. The next strip is fret number 2, and so on. The numbers are read from left to right and are placed in the string you're about to play. 0 means the string will be played open, without pressing down on a fret. So in this example, you play an open D string. Then the 3rd fret on the D string. And at last, the 5th fret on the D string. As you saw, the fretboard is the part of the guitar where you place your fingers in order to produce notes in different pitches. The body of an electric guitar includes a bridge, where the strings are attached. The sound of the guitar is detected by different pickups, and you can use a pickup selector to switch between the pickups. As you can see here, the acoustic guitar also has a bridge, but no pickups. The sound is projected by the sound hole in the body. The fretboard looks quite the same as with the electric guitar. Also, the headstock of the acoustic guitar looks similar to the electric guitar. The strings are attached to tuning keys. You should also use them to tune your guitar. There are some things you should consider when you are sitting with your guitar. First, use a guitar strap so you don't have to worry about the guitar sliding away while playing. Place the guitar on your left leg for complete freedom and flexibility. If you are left-handed, place it on your right leg. Also, using a footrest saves energy and helps you concentrate. Be aware that your fret hand fingers are relaxed and rounded, not bent inwards. These were the very basics of how to get started with playing the guitar. If you want to learn more and also get exercises to practice, check out our courses at Fretello.